Okay, let's continue. We will continue working on Fall 2011 Math 115 Test 3, number 24. Again, in this question here, we need to solve this system of linear equations by addition method. You see that, again, we need to choose which variable to eliminate, and apparently the y coefficients are opposite in signs, and the LCD is smaller. The LCD for coefficient of x is 12, the LCD for coefficient of y is 6. It seems like it is easier for us to use to eliminate the y first. Okay, now let's see, the LCD is 6, therefore to make the coefficient of y 6, I multiply this by 3, and this one, because the signs already opposites, I just need to multiply this by 2. Now let's see what happened in the next line. Here I have 9x plus 6y equals to 6 for the first equation. For the second equation, I get 9x minus 6y equals to negative 2. The y coefficients now opposite. If I add, I get 17x. The y coefficients are opposites, therefore if I add them, it's equals to 0. Now this is equals to 4, therefore x equals to 4 over 17. Now the next thing we will do, supposedly, to plug this x into either one of that equation up there, right? Now the good thing about addition method, or a long time ago we called this elimination method, is we actually have the flexibility of eliminating either one of them. Like in this case, we eliminate the y, therefore we get x in the end. Now if we plug this into either one of them, we know that we will be dealing with a lot of fractions, which a lot of us scared of. Now instead of plug this x in, which you can do if you are okay with fractions, I offer you another way, another path of redoing this system of equations, but this time instead of eliminating the y, we will eliminate the x. As we expect, if I eliminate the x, see, I'm writing the same system here. Instead of eliminating the y like we did what we did earlier, I will eliminate the x. The LCD of 3 and 4, LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, and because the signs are the same, I need to use opposite signs here. Multiply by 4 on the top and negative 3 at the bottom. Okay, now then this will give me 12x plus 8y equals to 8, and negative 12x plus 9y equals to positive 3. You see that the coefficient of x now are opposites, therefore when I add these two equations, I will have y by itself. So y equals to 11 over 17. You see, even though I have fractional for x, when I plug it in, we expect some turbulence there. Now instead of doing that, we will redo this system of equations. Instead of eliminating for y like what we did earlier to have the x, we redo it, but this time we eliminate the x, and now we have the y. Okay, now to conclude, which you have to, the solution should be written in coordinate. That's 4 over 17, 11 over 17. Okay, that's where we stop.